Morning folks, and thanks for watching. As you can see, I'm here at the Petronas Towers and we're getting ready for the finish of the third stage of the Tour de Langkawi. This is a big production, and usually there is some stage of it that finishes in Kuala Lumpur every year. This year it's the third stage and it's finishing right here in front of the Petronas Twin Towers. The race started this morning in Timor, which is a state that is off to the east of Kuala Lumpur, and the riders are going to be finishing probably between 3 and 4 p.m. Right now it's about 9:30 or 10 o'clock, and I'll be back later on today for the finish of the race. Some action going on here. Looks like the race should be pulling into the Petronas Towers in a few minutes. We have some original cars coming through, and pretty soon I think the peloton or whoever's in the lead will be coming through here in a few minutes. I know what you're thinking. You're saying, hey, Bill, where's the race? And I have to admit, I am equally disappointed. But let's keep in mind it's a bicycle race, so if you don't catch it when the riders are actually going by you, you've missed the entire thing. As with most sporting events, I strongly suggest that you watch it on television. I'm not sure where the Tour de Langkawi might be on television, but you can look that up. But frankly, the best place to watch sports of any kind, seriously, is on TV. Okay, that's the end of stage 3 of the Tour de Langkawi 2020. And they went today from somewhere in Timor, which is a state east of Kuala Lumpur, We're in the state of, actually it's a federal territory, Kuala Lumpur, and Temerloh is in Pahang, which is just to the east of Kuala Lumpur. The total race distance was a little over 162 kms, and I think they left around 10 o'clock this morning. I'm not really sure on the start time, but they just finished, and it's about probably 4:30, 4:45. So I'm going to make it back to my condo now. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.